The Royal Star Unit. The Royal Star Suite is the premier accommodation at Villa Star of the Sea, occupying on the second floor of the apartment building and offering approximately 1,330 square feet of living space. Designed as a spacious two-bedroom, two-bathroom residence, the suite features a large open-concept living room, a fully equipped, open-concept kitchen, and a generous private balcony extending from the main living area. The primary bedroom includes a private ensuite bathroom, while the second bedroom and additional full central bathroom provide comfortable accommodations for families, couples traveling together, or extended stay guests. The suite's elevated position captures ocean breezes and provides views overlooking the resort grounds, swimming pool, tropical gardens, and the Pacific Ocean beyond. With its residential scale, spacious layout, and premium amenities, the Royal Star Suite appeals equally to short-term vacation guests and longer-term seasonal residents. As part of the resort's accommodation inventory, it serves as a flagship unit capable of commanding premium rental rates while broadening the property's appeal to larger groups and extended stay clientele.